Let's learn how to simplify 10 over 12 into its simplest form. To do this, at first we'll write down the divisors of 10, which are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Whereas the divisors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now see that among these two lists, 2 is the greatest one which is present in this two list. Therefore, to simplify it, we will divide both the top and the bottom by this greatest common divisor, which is 2. If we do it, we get 5 over 6. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.